Welcome to a captivating journey into the culinary traditions of the Hadzabe Tribe, one of the oldest indigenous communities in Tanzania. Today, we immerse ourselves in the art of cooking ugali, a staple dish that has nourished generations of Hadzabe people. Join us as we witness the timeless ritual of ugali preparation, an integral part of the Hadzabe way of life. From the simple ingredients to the skillful techniques, this communal cooking process embodies the essence of their cultural heritage. With a perfect blend of tradition and expertise, the Hadzabe women transform maize flour and water into a thick, smooth dough, infusing it with their unwavering dedication and ancestral knowledge. As the mixture simmers over the open fire, the Hadzabe tribe members gather around, sharing stories and laughter, a sense of togetherness filling the air. The art of ugali cooking is not just about preparing a meal, it is a celebration of community, nourishment, and cultural heritage. As the aroma of freshly cooked ugali fills the air, the Hadzabe tribe members gather to enjoy the fruits of their labor. With each bite, they embrace the sustenance that connects them to their roots, their ancestors, and the land they hold dear. Join us as we continue to explore the rich cultural tapestry of the Hadzabe tribe, celebrating their culinary traditions and the deep significance of ugali in their lives. Subscribe to our channel and be part of this extraordinary culinary journey as we uncover the flavors, traditions, and heartfelt stories of the remarkable Hadzabe tribe. They have distinct language known as Hadza, which is characterized by click consonants. It is one of the few languages in the world that incorporates these unique sounds, adding to the linguistic diversity of human culture. The Hadzabe tribe is one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer communities in Africa. They rely on their extensive knowledge of the natural environment to gather wild fruits, honey, and tubers, as well as hunt game using traditional methods such as bow and arrows. The tribe is renowned for their vibrant singing and dancing rituals. These forms of expression play a central role in their community, serving as a way to communicate, celebrate, and connect with their spiritual beliefs. Their rhythmic chants and energetic dances create a sense of unity and cultural identity within the tribe. The impact of tourism on the Hadzabe tribe, an indigenous community in Tanzania, has been a mixed bag. On one hand, tourism has provided economic opportunities for the Hadzabe people, creating income through cultural tourism initiatives such as guided tours and cultural exchanges. Visitors from around the world are eager to experience the unique lifestyle and traditions of the Hadzabe, generating employment and income for the tribe. Additionally, tourism has played a role in raising awareness about the Hadzabe culture, fostering appreciation and understanding among visitors. However, tourism has also brought challenges and potential negative consequences. The increased presence of tourists in Hadzabe territories has led to cultural changes and influences. Traditional practices and ways of life may become commodified or modified to cater to tourist expectations. The Hadzabe community may face pressures to perform for visitors or alter their customs and traditions, potentially diluting their authenticity. Moreover, tourism can bring about environmental issues, including increased food traffic and potential degradation of natural resources. The delicate balance of the Hadzabe sustainable hunting and gathering practices may be disrupted, impacting the local ecosystem. It is crucial for tourism to be managed in a way that respects the Hadzabe's cultural integrity, supports their self-determination, and ensures sustainable practices. Collaboration between the tribe and responsible tourism organizations is essential to strike a balance between preserving the Hadzabe culture, supporting their economic development, and safeguarding the natural environment they depend on. In the Hadzabe tribe, the interaction between women and men is characterized by a strong sense of equality and mutual respect. Both genders play integral roles within the community, contributing their unique skills and knowledge. The women of the Hadzabe tribe are highly regarded for their expertise in gathering edible plants, while the men excel in hunting game. These distinct responsibilities are valued equally, and there is a deep appreciation for the contributions each gender brings to the tribe's sustenance and well-being. Decision-making is often conducted through consensus, with both men and women having a voice in important matters. This cooperative dynamic fosters a sense of harmony and cooperation, creating a balanced and cohesive social structure within the Hadzabe community. Within the Hadzabe tribe, the interaction between women holds a central role in their social fabric. Women of the Hadzabe tribe collaborate, support, and share responsibilities, contributing to a strong sense of community. They engage in various communal activities, such as gathering wild fruits and tubers, caring for children, and participating in cultural ceremonies. The women's interactions are characterized by mutual respect, cooperation, and a deep understanding of their shared experiences. They communicate through a combination of verbal and nonverbal cues, including expressive facial expressions and gestures. The bond between Hadzabe women is nurtured through storytelling, laughter, and the passing down of cultural knowledge from one generation to the next. Their collective strength and unity are vital in upholding the traditions and sustaining the Hadzabe way of life. Beyond hunting, men in the Hadzabe tribe engage in various communal activities, such as building shelters, crafting tools, and participating in cultural ceremonies. These shared endeavors not only contribute to the tribe's survival but also create opportunities for socializing, exchanging stories, and passing down ancestral wisdom from one generation to the next. The interaction between Hadzabe men is characterized by mutual respect, cooperation, and a deep understanding of their shared responsibilities. Through their interactions, they reinforce their cultural identity, reinforce traditional values, and strengthen their connection to their ancestors and the natural environment that sustains them. The bonds forged between Hadzabe men exemplify the importance of community and cooperation within the tribe, contributing to the overall harmony and resilience of their way of life. The Hadzabe value equality and fairness in their sharing practices. Each person, regardless of age or gender, receives a portion of the food. The distribution is often guided by cultural norms, with elders, children, and pregnant or nursing women sometimes given priority. Food sharing is not just an act of sustenance but also a way of strengthening social bonds and demonstrating solidarity within the tribe. It promotes a sense of interdependence and communal responsibility, ensuring that everyone's needs are met and no individual goes hungry. The act of sharing food is accompanied by conversations, laughter, and storytelling, fostering a sense of togetherness and creating a shared experience. It serves as a reminder of the Hadzabe's interconnectedness with one another and their environment. By sharing food, the Hadzabe reinforced their cultural values of cooperation, reciprocity, and the importance of collective well-being. It is through this practice that the tribe sustains its social fabric and nurtures a strong sense of community and belonging. Thank you, dear viewers and fellow adventurers, for joining us on this incredible journey through Africa's captivating stories. We hope you've been inspired, enlightened, and entertained by the rich tapestry of cultures, landscapes, and people we've explored together. But our expedition doesn't end here. To continue uncovering the hidden gems, untold tales, and awe-inspiring wonders of Africa, we invite you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our Africa Stories community. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain exclusive access to our upcoming adventures, where we delve deeper into the heart and soul of this extraordinary continent. From heartwarming encounters with local communities to breathtaking natural wonders and thought-provoking insights into African history, our channel will be your gateway to a world of discovery. You'll be transported to the most remote corners, witness extraordinary traditions, and connect with the remarkable people who call Africa home. By subscribing, you'll join a vibrant community of fellow explorers, where you can share your own stories, ask questions, and engage in meaningful discussions. Together, we can foster a deeper understanding and appreciation for the diverse cultures, landscapes, and experiences that Africa has to offer. So, don't miss out on future episodes of Africa Stories. Hit that subscribe button and embark on an unforgettable adventure as we continue to unveil the captivating narratives that make Africa truly extraordinary. Remember to click the notification bell to stay updated and be the first to watch our new releases. Thank you for your unwavering support, and we look forward to having you as an integral part of our Africa Stories family. Safe travels, fellow explorers, and see you in our next African tale.
Aku